Hey everyone, do you wanna know what phenomena happened to me today? First of all, I will tell you what activities I did today, what everyone does. First of all, I woke up at 5 o'clock, but I got up 6 o'clock because I did not have any work at 5 o'clock, so I kept sleeping. And then I got up at 6 o'clock. I did all the activities what everyone does. After that, I cycled to coaching because I every day go to the coaching at 6 o'clock, and I have already a cycle, so I always go to the coaching by cycling. And I returned from the coaching at 8 o'clock, and then when I reached the home, I did first of all, I had a breakfast first of all, and then I sat down to stitch the bag. Meanwhile, it's been 11 o'clock, and then after stitching my bags, I took a shower because it's Friday today, and at 12 o'clock I went to the mosque to offer the namaz. When I was returning from the mosque, I met my friend because he has a shop on the same path I come home. So that was the phenomena. I met my friend, I talked a lot. Yes, we made a lot of fun with my friend, and we talked about our life. He was asking me, what's your plan to your future? I told him that I would become a businessman. If you want anything from heart, you can achieve anything. So never say that it's impossible. Always say possible. And that we talked a lot. We talked about a lot of people. You know, the way every friends do with their friends. I did the same. And then it's been 1 hour talking to my friends. So my friend told me it's been long time. You should go your home. So I left from there, and that was phenomena of today. So thanks for watching this video and keep practicing with me.